see something. You about to see something. It's coming, it's coming. We're unstoppable now.
China has more than 200 confirmed cases of coronavirus, it's called.
Now to growing concerns about the deadly coronavirus officially hitting the U.S. Here's what we know.
Social distancing is an essential step in preventing the spread of the virus.
And that's why today I'm signing an executive order that's effective at midnight tonight that requires every Coloradan age 10 and up wear a mask or face covering.
We will have enough information to be able to determine whether these vaccines are safe and effective somewhere around November and December.
This morning, a devastating chapter in the U.S. fight against COVID-19. The virus death toll climbing above 200,000 Americans.
This year is unlike any other. In a blink of an eye, our season moved from spring to fall.
We're going down to where the wild things live. Pitch dark in wickedness. Gonna hunt you down like an animal. Dead or alive, have mercy on our souls. We're going down to the dark, digging down in the deep, where the bad things are. Going down into the belly of the beast. Bad things are coming.